Hi, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning about dashboard. Yes, dashboard. Now you'll ask me what's the dashboard? So, whenever we are making charts in Excel, we need to represent those charts. But how to represent those all the charts like pivot chart or line graph chart or pie chart or dognut chart in a one single sheet, as you would be able to see here. So by the use of a single click, I will be able to change the charts with the required data. How? Let us understand our sheet. So hi guys, this is Rahul Srivastav, and before starting the video, let me first explain you the basic concept behind this sheet. So herein we are having the branch name, the insurance done by the branches in lakhs, and the zones to which they belong, and the remarks they have received based on the parameters. Like somebody has done insurance of 99 lakhs and they have received good, likewise excellent, poor and average. Now if I'm going to make you understand each and everything, this video would be too long. So what I have done, I have made the pivot tables charts, and then I will explain you with only one topic. If you don't know how to make a pivot table chart, please refer to my earlier videos. Okay, now when you will go to the dashboard, you can see here, suppose I want to see how many branches have done average and whether they have received good or whether they have, which branches have what are the percentage wise data. So you can see here, this is the line bar chart wherein the insurance done by the branches are mentioned. Herein the remarks are mentioned along with the percentage, and herein the percentage wise business done by the insurance business done by the branches are mentioned. You can see here. Now when I click on average, you see here the data has been changed. You see here the Bangalore has done insurance of 87, likewise Chandigarh, Goa, and so are their percentage wise data. Likewise for excellent, you see here the charts changes for excellent, so only excellent, only 2 zones have done, same wise for poor. But how to make this chart? Correct? So now let's move on to our concept. See, this is our basic sheet. I have inserted a pivot table over here. So with the help of first pivot table, first I'll go to dashboard and I'll remove this. So with the help of first pivot table, I have made this chart, okay, which is the insurance done by the branches. Now with the help of second pivot sheet, I have made a pivot chart, okay, and with the help of third sheet, I have made the pie chart. I have made a pie chart on the percentage wise business done by the branches. Now what I need to do is I'll simply copy this chart and I'll paste here in dashboard. Okay, I'll do one thing, I'll just delete it for you so that you'll be able to understand it. Okay, now I'm having these 3 sheets. Now what I'm going to do is I'll simply copy this chart and I'll make a new open a new chart and I'll paste here. Correct? I'll again go to my second chart, I'll copy this and I will paste here. Again I'll go to the third chart and I'll copy this and I will paste here. Now since I have done this for the 3 charts, I'll just resize these charts as per my sheet. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just simply resize this, as you can see here. Okay, now my resize is almost complete over here. Okay, now what I have done, I've copied all the 3 charts and I've pasted in one single sheet, which I would be renaming it as dashboard. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will select all the charts. Okay, now I have selected this chart and I'll press Ctrl and I'll select all the 3 charts. Once I have selected all the 3 charts, what I'm going to do is I'll make a right click on any of the charts, and I'll group these charts. Now once I've grouped this all charts have been grouped. Now what I need to do is, I'll go to any of the charts, I'll go to pivot table analyze, and I'll insert slicer. Now whatever documents I would, no, whatever data I would be needing, I'll just check on those. I would be needing zone, I would be needing remarks, and I would be needing suppose branch name. So I'll press OK. Now once I pressed OK, this 3 slicer tools are ready for my use. Okay, now before making a proper dashboard, what you need to do is, you need to go to any of these slicer tools. I went to this slicer tool, I'll make a right click, and here you can see report connections. You need to click on report connections, and you need to check for P2 and P3. Why I am doing this? Because it will connect all the 3 charts, because once I click on the data, it will give me simultaneous reports of all the 3 charts, else it will only reflect one chart. Again, I'll go to report connections and I'll click on both the charts. Same thing I'll do for the third one, report connections, and I'll click on the two charts. Now once I've done this, now I need to see the data which branches have received the poorest performance. So what I need to do is, I'll simply click on poor, and you can see here Amritsar, Chandigarh and Pune have received the poorest data. I repeat, these are the hypothetical data taken by me. So you can see here Shimla, Mohali, Vimannagar comes under and Mohali for Chandigarh, and Shimla for Amritsar maybe, or Pune for Vimannagar branch. So these are the 3 branches, percentage wise data you can see, and the insurance done by them. And this is the pie chart again for good. So these are the charts. These branches have received the good remarks done by the insurance. They have received the good remarks. Likewise for excellent, and the same for average. So this way you can make a very this is the series 1 of the presentable data what I need to show you. Subsequently I'll come up with the second series of this Excel dashboard, and you can manipulate the data for different zone wise also, like for Goa what is my business, and likewise for Mumbai city or for Lucknow. And this way you can suppose I need to do this for different things, for even for HR sections and all that. So very well I can present this data. So I hope this video of mine would be helpful to you. Do apply this technique on your whichever organization you are working. Till then, bye bye, take care, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Bye bye, take care.